It is official. Ducati are going to be making their motocross debut in the US this year, and that is with Tony Cairoli racing 2 rounds this year, one at Redbud and the next round at Spring Creek. So we get an actual viewing of this bike. Now, this comes from Michael Lindsay, so take this as I'm reading this. It is a homologated bike for racing in the US with the AMA. It's not a work exception because apparently that rule doesn't apply anymore or exist anymore. This isn't going to be a Troy Lee's design bike, so it's going to be probably less low or more low key than what would be the full track or full trailer. Probably just more of a smaller tent, kind of small crew, and Cairoli figuring out what's going to go happen there. It is probably going to be a stock engine with an Akrapovic. I don't know how you say that. I've heard it many different ways, but whatever. With the exhaust system, mapping fuel, and pretty much all the changes are going to come from chassis and suspension stuff that the US team has been working on. And as far as it's being said, he's already tested in the US with the crew that's going to be racing with him, and next week he will be testing on the East Coast. So this is exciting to me. Obviously, this is a huge brand coming into this sport, coming into this, this side of the sport. Obviously, they are doing incredible with road racing in both MotoGP, Moto America, WSBK, any form of two-wheel racing. Ducati at the moment is building absolute rocket ships and just dominating everything. So if they can take any piece of that magic that they have on the two wheels on the road, if they can transfer any bit of that to the outdoor space, this is going to be incredible. As far as I know, this is, I think, the highest horsepower bike that comes stock, or stock power bike, however you want to say it. So you already have the power issue or power problem solved. Now it's just going to be rideability. Who's going to be on this team? Obviously, I've seen multiple rumors of either Barsha or Anderson or both of them. Who knows? If this is a homologated bike, as it says it is, this is pretty close to next year or whenever. I think, is it next year that they're going to be racing? I hope so. But massive team. I mean, Troy Lee Designs, Ducati. It's going to be, I think, a monster team like mostly everybody else is. So big sponsors, big backing. Not just people dropping into this scene as newcomers. Troy Lee's been around for a very long time, and you've got people that know what they're doing. I mean, this bike has already won a national championship in, is it Italy? Correct me if I'm wrong there. So it's already a proven bike, not on the biggest stage in the world, but a proven bike in general. You've got 9-time world champion Cairoli racing it and helping to develop it. And I hope this is going to be great. I mean, who knows if he comes out. For all intents and purposes, these 2 rounds don't really mean much. You don't expect him to come and, be competing for overalls. It's more of a, hey, I'm going to get out here, test this bike in a real race setting, not on a practice track, not on a, simulated whatever. This is against, real racing speed, top end people, and see where it falls. I hope he does well. I'm hoping this bike does come next year and we have, 2 people on it and see where it goes. But I don't know. I'm excited for this. I'm excited for the brand to come, see where it all falls. But that's where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are you excited for this? How well do you think he does? Are you going to either of these rounds? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. With that, I'll see you later. Peace.